Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have B&O Beoplay H7 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily select audio device type in your Android phone. So at first we have to scroll down to our control panel, then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to go into details. Now as you can see in paired devices we have our headphones. Now we have to go into our device settings by clicking this gear icon right here. Now as you can see, audio device type, we have to click on it and now we can change it from headphones to speaker to others. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.